guys, welcome to our vlog. Today we are traveling to Athens. Hello. We have to take another train from there. We will get down from the bus and
Next stop.
take a train for Acropolis. We need to get down at the Acropolis station. So the Athens is very famous city in Greece. There is a lot of ancient history there. There is Acropolis, which is a very ancient building over there where a lot of people come to see. It's on top of the mountain. So you need to wait until the end to see how is the view from there. You can see the whole city from top of there. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you always for following our vlogs. We are still on the bus waiting for our stop to get down. I think it's here already. Yeah. So we have to walk to the station now. I think it's like 2 minutes walk from here.
Gusto din dito ng ganito, Tino. Ito, tingnan mo to. Pag pumunta kayo ng airport, ito direct na siya sa airport. Pag dito ka nagaling magsakay, punta na siya ng airport, diretso. Oh, really?
This is metro.
Ito, bakit na mag-goes to airport na.
Ah,
So we can go airport as well, right?
Hindi na kayo
Yeah.
kailangan mag-taxi sa next time kung ano.
Tapos pagbaba namin ng airport,
Nandun na yung airport. Ang metro. Mag-walking lang kayo kasi akit kayo sa taas. Nandun yung...
so we can go airport, no?
Yeah.
By this, no?
Mabilis pa. Kasi walang traffic ito.
More fast because there's no traffic on this. But it's difficult, you know, if you don't know how to read the language because there's no translation English.
there is. I saw there is. Yeah, there is English and.
Ano yung ticket na bilhin nyo? 24 hours.
Yeah, yeah.
24 hours,
Yeah,
right?
24 hours is okay. Because yeah, tomorrow we
Mas magandang 24
Check.
hours kasi...
So, 24 hours stay bukas, pwede ba yan?
Oh, 24 hours. Kung kailan mo binili ngayong oras na ito,
can pay
tomorrow
cash,
na
right?
tomorrow. 24 hours.
Take cash. How much is it?
How much is that thing?
Halika dito. Dito. Oh, ito Ito, 24 hours ang select natin.
Επιλέξτε τον τρόπο
410, tapos dalawa kayo, dalawa gusto nyo.
Yeah.
Yan.
Yeah, 8.20.
τοποθετήστε το
So, 820 lahat. Yan, sige, pasok mo dito. Taas.
Το απαιτούμενο ποσό συμπληρώθηκε. Παρακαλώ, περιμένετε.
Kung sakali naman na kayo yung mag-ano, pwede naman siya English kasi makikita mo yung mga plug na naka-ano. Oo, pwede ikong English yung...
Παρακαλώ, παραλάβετε τα ρέστα σας. Παρακαλώ, παραλάβετε τις κάρτες.
Yan, tingnan mo na. English ko yun sa'yo. Kasi kung saan lang.
There's also Arabic also there. There is Arabic also there.
Yeah, yeah. All of the lang picture here. You plug select only what plug you are.
That is Filipino, first one.
Walang Filipino dito. Ito ang Greece, ang English, ang the rest hindi ko alam.
But I thought that is like Filipino flag, no?
Ah,
The color.
Simon, you took one.
Yeah, yeah. I heard.
Yata masyado ano? Nilay na. Parang buong Europa, ano?
I have so much space here.
Yeah, keep, no? We are here a long time. Don't worry. You need to scan this.
Oh, scan lang. Scan. Scan lang.
Hmm. Oh. Why it's not scan here?
Scan it lang yun.
Come.
Touch na lang. Itap.
Dito. Come this side.
Itap.
Here. I'm touching on the screen.
I forgot to make video with you.
I made.
Ο αντιληστήρας του οδηγεί από την Αποβάθρα προς Ελληνικό στο επίπεδο διακίνησης επιβατών είναι προσωρινά εκτός λειτουργίας. Επιβάτες με δυσκολία στις μετακινήσεις τους που πρόκειται να χρησιμοποιήσουν τον ελκυστήρα παρακαλούνται όπως αποβιβαστούν στο σταθμό Συγκρού Φίξ. Ευχαριστώ. May I have your attention please? We inform you that in Acropolis Station, the lift that leads from the platform of direction to Ελληνικό to the concourse level is temporarily out of order. Passengers with mobility limitations intend to use the lift are kindly requested to proceed to Συγκρού Fix Station. Thank you.
Bagong tayo lang po. Nakabago siyang ginawa. Ito yung sabi ko
Oh.
Like I think 1 year, more than 1 year.
During
Almost 1 year.
wala pa ito eh. Noon, may nagkaroon.
Why before it's
Ginagawa mo lang. Ano, yung na kayo. O yung papa ko nagsiya. Upgrade. bili ka na lang. Pero yung iba talaga, wala.
Pero sabi
Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede.
pwede.
Hindi pwede kasi once na hindi ka mag-click yung machine, hindi ka makita may inspector, no? May ang inspector. Ang station mo sa bahay mo, yan. Next station, area.
Area.
Area. Rayos.
When you come to your hotel, you are riding like
Nagbabas lang ako dahil pwede naman ang bus. Pwede rin ito.
This is all underground train, so you cannot see outside.
ito.
So we are already here now. Let's check out the place here. Looks very busy, but I guess it's very nice place.
Coffee na cold siya. Coffee cold.
You want coffee?
Or,
Take something.
you know, cold na coffee,
Yeah.
not hot coffee.
We take something in.
With ice, of course. O kaya kung margarita.
Okay.
Cold coffee.
Sa'yo, ano? Coffee
Cold
sa'yo?
coffee din yan.
There is coins here.
Not point. This is.
Ano rin natin yung prepo is cold basta na coffee ha. O frappe. Cold din. Ha? Okay na, cold coffee. For me,
You want cold coffee?
Yeah, yeah.
red espresso for me. Kami trio. Ang sugar na.
Coffee. Cold coffee.
Look, guys.
Go in front.
Tourist over here. It's very famous place. Beatles. You can buy some
Dito ang
souvenir
pilihan ng mga
here.
kwan, ng mga souvenir, ng lahat ng mga alam mo na. Oo, dyan. Mga t-shirt.
Yeah.
Dyan, dyan. Sombrero. Mga ano.
Yeah. Buy cap there.
Sorry?
Yeah. Buy one cap.
Postcard, mga sang-sang-sang. Mga
Buy that blue one, Greece. Yeah. This is okay. This is blue. Oh, what is the other one? The other blue. Check the other one. We will show. Give him. No, this one. This one. This color is.
No, this is nice.
No, it's too dark.
Huh?
Let's take that
Yan,
one.
yun
Too
kasi
much
light
dark.
lang yun na blue eh. Blue din
bit.
yung pero light.
Short chocolate.
He will give. Don't throw all down. Sorry. Told you wait.
Sorry. Oh, similar. Ah, you like that. You want this?
Ayan, mas maganda rin naman kasi yan. Light lang
This
siya.
is this is like Greece flag.
I think bibili din ako.
Anong gusto mong kulay?
How much?
Cherries, grapes, saka ano. Yan ang mga prutas dito. Yan, tinan mo ang
Thank you.
grapes. Tapos yung, ayan, masarap yan oh.
Sarap yan. What is that? Simon, I forgot.
This is cherry.
Cherry,
This is
cherry,
cherry.
and grapes. Yan, mura lang siya oh. €1.99. Tapos ito pa. Ito masarap talaga talaga.
Fresh, huh?
Fresh, yeah.
We buy when we are going back.
Okay, let's go.
Otherwise we have to carry everywhere.
Oh, we'll be going back.
Yeah, otherwise we need to carry. Or you want to eat there? It's no. Hold this one.
Walang, ano yun sa'yo, hindi na tayo makabalik siguro dito, ah. Magdagat tayo, pwede na rin kainin doon.
I'll buy because we go to beach, right?
Yeah.
Wala tayong kakainin.
Ah, bye. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll buy now. Ilagay yung natin sa bag ko.
Yeah, we will go to the beach later.
Put in your bag. You need to buy that to put in the neck. Phone. You can hang there in the neck.
Te, lagay mo sa bago, te. Thank you.
There is cheap, but maybe this is little bit big, no? The good quality.
Malalaki lang kasi ito, ang grape mo ko. Ito 99 din.
Very nice view.
We'll buy this.
Some people are singing over there. Some musicians you can find on the way. Be the traditional songs they will sing there. Very fresh fruits.
Anong lane? Ito at saka doon? Kalo. Liko. Yan, masarap din yung side. Ayun, masarap yung crunchy kasi yun. Ang apple. Yung maliit na yan. Yan, masarap yan.
We'll buy one.
Bili ko rin ng isa. Masarap yan.
Bye.
Mura siya. 149 lang. Masarap siya. Ilagay lang natin sa bago.
You can put in bag.
Ate, you can carry.
The bag will become heavy, huh?
Ito, Kit. You ready?
Kasi naposin mo na natin yan.
While they buy fruits, I'll just try to walk around here.
Can make video, okay? Video, no problem.
It's not Dubai. First of all,
We have to be careful. We have to ask. Some people they don't like we video them.
ζωή το αλερό suicide sclerosis και αντίστοιχα στο φίλο
You can buy a lot of souvenirs here.
με σκλέβα αυτόματα συμπλήρωση με το
Thank you.
Thank you.
Κάνετε την εγγραφή σου στο hit.gr ή στο application.
Very nice ang kanilang mga souvenir.
Yeah.
Very nice openers here.
Yes, of course. Why not?
Dala ka ng mga kaibigan mo kung kasi minsan ang ticket mo na lang. Punta dito.
Now we have to walk on the top. So the journey starts from here to walk on the top of the hill.
Acropolis. Yeah, that is the Acropolis.
Yeah. Yeah, we have to go there.
To go up there.
Yeah.
Ito ang mga rowing na, my dear.
Yeah.
Take something
Yeah, I
like
took
that,
there, yeah.
Yan ang mga
I made TikTok there.
This is protected sites, guy. You cannot go inside over here. But they have lot of ancient historical things here inside, so it's not allowed to go inside. You can watch from outside. It's a protected site. It's very
€1.
yeah, I think this is coconut, fresh coconut.
Hey, may sinabi ko.
Take care, yeah?
I can.
Έλα μέσα. Let's go inside. Thank you very much. Oh, sige, kuha ka ng isa. Hindi, mag-ayo tayo.
Same size, this one?
Same size.
To eat your...
It's good for you.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay.
This is large
It's large also.
Okay.
Large lang.
because I have too much big.
Okay, sa lady.
Take one. You also want take a? Ah, there is also t-shirt there.
Ayun na lang kasi souvenir yan. Yes, ano.
There is also t-shirt there, Greece.
Yes, they have also.
Shorts no, on the blouse.
Only dress. I will get it.
Take
Na
dress.
lang gusto mo. Dress na lang gusto mo.
Para
It's
maisip.
good with shorts. You can have shorts.
Take dress better.
Dress na lang. Better siguro ang dress.
Dress is because it's hot, you know. You can wear.
Can have it.
Oh, good. Nice. Yan, dress na to. Look there. Look. Nice.
Go.
Ang daming bulky ko ah.
It's okay. Hello. Ay, yun ang favorite ng anak ko. Tingnan ko nga, mas pasok na muna akong layer. Pares na pinila. Oh, this one. Ang paborito ng aking anak. Meron pala sila dito. Pidya mo ng mga rest of to.
Yeah, this is nice. Okay.
It's look like very sexy here.
Oh, this one, this one.
Take this one.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, that's nice.
Paborito ng aking anak ito.
Like this, you make smaller, bigger here, no problem.
I can
It's
adjust.
like that.
Yeah.
Okay. I have.
Give
to
this
get
one.
that. Yeah. Ate. Hangyo ate. Ito tawag ka ate.
Magkano na ba?
Tanong, hindi ko alam.
Kiryo po sa wala after? After kiryo, didi ya. Po sa.
Και τα δύο.
Boros na
Isa lang.
kami kalotime.
35 ήσαν.
Diniho, tita.
Έκπληξη.
Kalotime.
Και τα δύο θέλεις. Και εκείνο.
Dio.
Isa lang tiya at saka yung
She
isa.
want also.
Maganda rin pala
Gusto
yun,
mo
no?
tayo pagkuha tayo?
Nahiya lang kaso. Ay, nakakahiya
Εντάξει,
naman.
σε τα δύο.
Si Shai, she said.
Nahiya ako.
Take no problem.
Kuha ka ng mga parang ganito tiyo.
Ha? Anong color?
Kuha ka na isa te.
Saan ba?
Saan yung basurahan dito? Huwag basurahan basta dito.
I think we go here this way.
This way.
Kasi para shortcut siya at saka akyat. Then ako magdala na ito.
Put all in the one.
Ako lang, sir.
Excuse me.
Put here.
We have to walk until we reach on top there.
Ako nung pumunta ako ng Amsterdam din, dami kong binili ng mga magnets. Yung magnets na ganyan, tapos yung alam yung abridor, pang abridor ng beer. Magnet.
Yeah, we should have taken some water, no? Maybe we are thirsty up. There is water we can buy.
Yes, let's
Yeah.
say the water that will buy.
Maybe they are selling there on top. Go in.
Saan tayo pwede makabili ng ticket?
Saan na nga dito, kasi parang wala na yan dito yung bilihan. Sila natin kung ano yung tubig ba dito? Ito, tama dito.
Good, I wear this one shoes because not to walk in.
Hello.
See you later for lunch.
Yes, sure.
Pero tingnan mo dito.
What's that?
Yung nasira na. Sinaunang panahon.
That is the old, you know?
Yeah,
Pero
choose.
nasira na siya, pero inaano talaga nila yung pinipreserve nila.
Yung pinipreserve nila, yung sira na yung mga scent dyan.
Oo, pero mas ano nila, yung inaano talaga nila inalagaan. Kaya tayo dun sa ay, doon nga daanan na po. Doon pa.
Want to take picture?
This is some musicians over here. They are playing the instruments.
Gani, no? Come this side. But the thing, the winter is like in Philippines only. It's not that in UAE. So much hot there, I think. Especially when you...
Siyempre, kung 50 pa naman sabi mo.
Okay. We can take picture here. It can captured on that mountain.
Yan, ano din yan dyan, Likabitos.
Maybe on top we can do.
On the top din, pwede naman nandun dahil sa taas.
We will lose 10 kg.
Good for us.
Good for us. Pero ganda din yung kasi makita siya, diba? Nainitan sila. Nainitan na sila, Lin. Hindi mainit daw, mainit.
Can sleep well today.
Kaya, Lin, mag-take tayo ng bigot.
Ah, sorry. Sorry.
See, my bunker is working. Acha. Ah. In Dubai, you cannot walk like this. Why? There is a big mountain. There is like called what you call this?
But if I
There is still
degree and then you walk in very hot 50.
yeah. You can go by car. Mountain Jabal Hafid. Whole UAE you can see it. Oh.
Ang dami nila oh.
Kaya nga eh. Kaya. Nice view.
Hayas Agora nga area south of Anton Agora na. Yung old days pa before na mga structure ng kanilang anak. Itong Acropolis. Tapos, inasira na nga siya eh. Maganda doon sa taas, Lin. Ito sa likod lang ito eh. Doon sa taas talaga maganda sa taas. Kasi hindi mo
Unsay Greek language unsay meaning sa ano te gikapoy?
Kurasmeni.
Kurasmeni. Oh, I'm Kurasmeni.
Kurastika.
Kurastika?
What is that? Thank you.
No, I'm too tired. I'm tired. Kurastika.
Kurastika.
Kurastika. What is the difference between Kurasmeni and Kurastika?
Parang kung yung lalaki o babae, alam mo yun? Kasi sa kanila, yung
Kurasmeni is girl.
merong feminine, merong for the girls, and for the boys, female or male, and then merong neutral lang kung neutral lang, tatlo ang kanilang na ano sa ano ay apat pala, may feminine, may neutral at saka parang mahirap din, parang nakakalito yung lengguwahe nila, pero pag naano mo naman ang basic, okay lang din. Nakakalito pag kung saan mo ilagay ba ang grammar mo, ang sentence nila, kung pang babae ba to, pang lalaki, o kung neutral lang siya. Nalilito din ako minsan, pero okay lang din naman, hindi naman sila ano, basta kahit basic lang naman sila sa ano.
There is something here.
Pwede rin, kung If you like to go up in the top,
Uh-uh.
and then you take some pictures.
We go there. Come.
We go up first, and then go before that.
Yeah.
Let's go there. You can go first. You know. Here, see Simon.
I think we have to go from.
Kasi naman, masyado ng bigat. Very hot.
So you can view the whole city from here.
Breeze is nice.
Yes. It's nice if you have some air.
Yes.
You know, don't feel the heat so much. Or
You can view the whole city from here, and that is Acropolis. But unfortunately, we cannot go there today because it's closed and it will open very late. But we have to travel tomorrow, so we cannot.
parang wala akong makita tao na talaga. Kasi kung ngayon like this, sarado din siya. Ang open lang yan ay linggo. Linggo, yan. Umaakyat talaga doon. So,
May bayad din siya rin kung makita. Oo, don't pay.
makita mo din naman. Pwede pa rin naman pumunta sa other side. Ang pwede talaga rin. Pwede pumasok